So what does my car sound like at each short of 1,000 revs? I'm gonna do that today, find that out a bit. I'm not gonna redline it. The red line starts at 6,500. I'm not gonna be doing that. I'm probably gonna go to about 4,000 just because I don't really wanna. It's a bit cold today, so I don't really want to go risking it a bit. So we'll just go to 4,000, see how it sounds and all that. But yeah, we'll go start it up now. Right, let's just start it up then. You can see the red line is 6,500 revs. I don't ever redline it. I'm not going to ever plan on doing it. The most I usually go is 4,000, maybe 5,000. I don't really want to go any higher than that. Let's just start it up. There we go. Now we'll move around to the back.